Maalat nga ba talaga yung creamy spinach snacks ng KFC? First of all, mahilig kami sa maalat. Like, mahilig ako magpatis at magtoyo. So here's what we think of KFC's creamy spinach snacks. First, yung creamy spinach twister. Ang sad niya lang kasi ang konti ng laman. Like, 1/3 niya, tortilla lang. This one has hot shots, cheese, and yung creamy spinach sauce. In-expect naming maalat pero hindi naman. Malasa siya, so nagustuhan namin. Next is yung creamy spinach zinger. Sakto lang yung laki ng zinger chicken patty. Ang generous sa creamy spinach sauce. Ito yung nakaka-overwhelm yung alat. Nagulat ako na I had to drink a lot of water agad just to get rid of the saltiness in my mouth. Actually, yung creamy spinach sauce nila, di naman maalat. Yung zinger lang talaga yung maalat. Sayang, sana yung chicken tenders na lang ginamit nila dito para di masyadong maalat kasi masarap yung creamy spinach sauce. Next is yung creamy spinach corn. Sobrang nanghihinayang ako na isa lang in-order ko nito. Nasarapan ako sa kanya. I love the combo ng creamy spinach with the sweetness of the corn. Ito yung o-ordering ko ulit or baka gayahin ko at home. We also tried the original recipe chicken tenders. Juicy and tender talaga. Ito yung bagay sana sa creamy spinach sauce nila. Lastly, yung Ala King Zinger Steak. Nothing really surprising about it, pero we enjoyed yung combo ng Ala King sauce nila with the spiciness of the zinger. That's it. Na-try nyo na rin ba yung creamy spinach snacks ng KFC? Let us know what you think.